I will compare the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark 5 with Sony Xperia Pro. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 5 6.5 inches OLED display and success ratio 21:9. Sony Xperia Pro comes with 6.5 inches OLED display and success ratio 21:9. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 5 run on the Android 13 operating system. It comes with 12 GB RAM, 256 GB, 512 GB internal storage, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and GPU Adreno 740. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 5 real set triple camera setup 48 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel and its front camera 12 megapixel, 5000 mAh battery, 30 watt fast charging support. Sony Xperia Pro comes with Sony Xperia Pro run on the Android 10 operating system. It comes with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB internal storage, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor and GPU Adreno 650. Sony Xperia Pro real set triple camera setup 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel and its front camera 8 megapixel, 4000 mAh battery, 21 watt fast charging support.